Hey there, and how are you all? Today we are going to discuss what an IDE is, and which IDE are we going to use in this tutorial, which is a web development tutorial, and what is an IDE as I just said. So what's an IDE? IDE is an integrated development environment. As you can see, if you type IDE in Google, integrate development environment. What does that mean? Just means that it's text editor where you type in code and it designs it for you. For example, this is a picture right here. So once you're writing some code, it colors it for you. It's better than using the notepad on your phone, which is much worse because using the notepad doesn't color it for you and doesn't find the errors whatsoever. Using the IDEs, it can help find errors and other stuff as well. So that's what IDE are we which IDE are we going to use in this tutorial? We're going to use Sublime, and until now I have been using another IDE. If you have realized, it doesn't look like this one. It's called VS Code. The IDE I've been using is called VS Code, and it's this thing right here. Sublime Text, which we are going to use in this tutorial and download just now, is another IDE, and they're both popular and both very good. But Sublime is better for beginners and better for web development, and it's mostly used by developers as well. Why? Because once you install Sublime, it comes with many tricks, just like Visual CD Code. They have many benefits of using both. You can use either of them, and I'm going to show you how to download both. I'm going to go over some tricks in using the Sublime. I'm going to use Sublime in the upcoming videos as well. But the previous two videos I used Visual CD Code. I'm going to transfer to Sublime, and I'm going to teach you how to download it and some tricks in Sublime. To download Visual Studio Code, the one I was using until now, just go type in VS Code and then go to the download page, and you can install it on Windows, on Linux, and on Mac. The same goes for Sublime. So to download Sublime, you go to your Google search, type in Sublime, and then you will find this official page right here with download button down there, download link, and the same goes, you have another download link down here. So I'm going to use this, which they're completely the same. So if I use the other one, take me to the same page. As you see here, if I use this one, takes me the same page. Okay, so if you're a Mac user, download this link, use this link to download it, OS X. That's using if you have iOS 10.7 or later. Windows user, you can use this. If you have a 64-bit, you can use this this link right here. Sorry. If you're a Linux user, you can use this. Okay, so what I'm using is the Windows 64-bit, and they're completely the same. Just press on the link, and it will start downloading. For Windows, it's around 10 megabytes. Once it's downloaded, you will find it in your file manager, or just come to your search and type in Sublime, and then go to Open File Location, and it will be in your downloads or in the or in your local disk. Take it from there. So for example, it was in your local disk. Take it from your new local disk to the desktop, and once it's in the desktop, you can use it. So you can use it even while it's in your local disk, but the difference is that you can't find it right here on the desktop page. So once it's on the desktop, double tap on it, and it's opened. If you want it to be pinned down, just like here, just like mine, you should simply right click on it, and it will ask you to pin on the taskbar. Since mine is pinned, it's asking me to unpin, and I don't want to unpin it. Once you find the pin, press unpin, and it will pin pin it on the taskbar for you. So what are some tricks there, or what are some tricks we can use, and how is it helpful? So using Sublime is pretty beneficial and helps with a lot of stuff. In the first video in this tutorial, which was HTML basics in 30 minutes, we learned about HTML boilerplate. And to add a boilerplate, you type in doctype HTML, and then and a couple of other stuff that we've learned about in the HTML basics in 30 minutes. So Sublime provides a shortcut for all that, and that's by typing HTML with the tab keyword. If you don't know what the tab keyword is, it's the tab keyword comes to the right or to the left of the keyword on a US keyboard. So if I come here and say tab keyword, tab key, It looks like this. It looks like this one right here. And if you have a keyboard, uh, it's this to the left of the queue. So if you look, it's to the left of the queue. Okay. So using the typing in HTML, and then a tab key gives you the provides you the boilerplate, and you don't have to install anything for this. Once Sublime is installed, this is provided. So let's add in a title, which is hello. Okay, so and then what are some other beneficial tricks while using Sublime? One beneficial trick is, for example, typing in the tag's name. So we learned about the paragraph in first HTML tutorial, so which was the p tag. So once you type in p with the tab key, it provides us with the p tag, which is a time savior. Yeah? It helps with saving time. So we are going to use this IDE in this tutorial. We are going to learn about more and more tricks in this tutorial for this IDE. While going over more concepts, we are going to use this IDE and explore the tricks and benefits of this IDE. So hope you enjoyed the video and learned some new stuff, and hope you installed Sublime and are going and following and hope you are following the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and peace.